Introduction to plant propagation. Please, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please just touch the subscribe button and hit the bell icon for you to get the next course, because after this I'm going to be posting the next course next week. So try as much as possible to follow the channel so that you can be updated whenever I post a new course. So let's move into the course. Let's go. So in this module 1, you're going to be seeing the following, just as you are seeing on the screen. You're going to see number 1, definition of plant propagation. 2, purpose of plant propagation, the reason why you have to propagate a plant, the reason, that the purpose. Then type of propagation. Now we have different types of propagation. We're also going to look at it. Then we have greenhouse technology, why you need a greenhouse and the technology that involves greenhouse. It's all about greenhouse. We learn about it today. And we also have a plant hormone, and the last one, number 6, is hardening. You're going to look at hardening also, so that by the end of this course you're going to learn all these things I just mentioned. Then we'll move on to the first slice of the course. Definition of plant propagation is an art or science of multiplying plants by sexual or asexual means. Like I said it's an art and science of multiplying plants by sexual or asexual means. So this is an art or science. So you can see science and art are involved. So let's move on to the next slide. So now the purpose of plant propagation. Now what are the purpose of plant propagation? Number 1 purpose is to make a young attractive plant from an old legged plant. So one reason why you want to do plant propagation is to make a young attractive plant from an old legged propagation. Remember I told you that there are some plants you love, there's some plant you like based on the sweetness, or based on the sweetness of the fruit, or based on the size of the fruit, or one characteristic or the other. You must have developed some interest in that plant. So that interest is what is making you to propagate this plant. So number 1 reason why we have here is to make a young attractive plant from an old legged plant. Number 2 is to propagate a particular plant because of its unique or attractive future. Like what I said, just finished saying. So you are propagating a plant because of its unique or attractive future. So there is something inside that plant, there is something you see within that plant, where the size of the fruit. Something must have made you to want to propagate this plant. Must have liked something, where the uniqueness of that plant or the attractiveness of that plant, but something must have made you want to propagate this plant. The third one is to make multi-plant from a single plant. Making a multi-plant from a single plant. Now you can make so many plants from just one tree. So that will be the reason why we do plant propagation, making multi-plant from a single plant. So let me move on to the next slide. Types of propagation. Now we have what we call sexual propagation. This involves floral part of a plant, union or pollen and egg. So it involves the floral part of the plant. You understand? Be the union of a pollen and egg. So when the pollen and egg come together, it is when this can be formed. Then we have asexual propagation, which is by vegetative. Asexual propagation, this is regenerating part of a parent plant into a new plant. Genetically, identically, it is one parent and it involves stem, roots, and leaves. A greenhouse is a special structure that is designed to regulate the temperature and humidity of the environment inside. So it's a small structure or a big structure or a mighty structure that is designed to regulate temperature and humidity within its environment. So that's what a greenhouse does, is to regulate temperature and humidity inside it. So it's inside its environment. A greenhouse can help increase plant growth and fruit production, and even allow you to grow plants that wouldn't normally survive in some climate. Now, plants need light, warm temperature, air, water, and nutrients to survive and grow. That's the end of the course for today. Thank you for watching. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe so you can follow up when I'm going to post the next phase of this course. Thank you.